candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5.
Good evening.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling a roller coaster of emotions, but other than that, I feel fine.
Alright, that's good to know. You have loud supporters there on that side. Anything you'd like to say? Anything you'd like to say to your supporters?
I would like to show my appreciation to all my supporters, most especially to the engineering students and to all those who supported me in this event. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that. So, please choose your question.
I choose number 10.
Number 10.
Good evening. The picture shows COVID test. Good evening. The picture shows COVID testing. I believe that it is important that as an individual, we must be responsible of our actions. And in the times of the pandemic, we must be responsible in order to create a safe environment for every Filipino people to avoid the pandemic and to avoid the spread of COVID-19 virus. I believe that it is our duty as a Filipino people that we should protect each other, that we should be responsible in our every actions, because I believe that as an individual we may not know it, but our every actions has its consequences. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, male candidate number 5. Let's proceed with our male candidate number 6. Alright, good evening.